I always speak the truth. I respect my elders daily. I arrive at work on time. I complete my tasks carefully. I stay calm in stress. I manage my time wisely. I focus on my goals. I never give up easily. I accept my mistakes quickly. I learn from my failures. I keep my promises always. I believe in myself fully. I treat everyone with kindness. I listen before I speak. I think before I act. I control my anger calmly. I forgive others quickly. I stay positive every day. I work hard for success. I improve my skills daily. I take responsibility seriously. I save my important documents safely. I organize my schedule properly. I prepare for meetings early. I finish projects before deadlines. I speak clearly and confidently. I maintain good eye contact. I dress neatly for work. I greet everyone with respect. I appreciate small achievements. I handle problems patiently. I stay active and healthy. I drink enough water daily. I choose healthy food options. I exercise 3 times weekly. I avoid wasting my time. I set clear daily goals. I review my progress weekly. I ask questions when confused.